Hi, this is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Growth Capital Expo in Las Vegas 2014. I'm with Sylvain Laberge from Gespeg Copper, symbol GCR on the TSX Venture Exchange. Sylvain, welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you again. It's nice being here with you. I thank you for this interview.
You're
and
quite
excuse
welcome.
My French.
You're speaking English, you know.
Yeah, I know.
So tell me about the company.
We're an exploration company in the copper sector. We're in the eastern part of Quebec. There was a successful mine back in the 50s and up to the 90s. They produced over 141 million tons. Now it's owned by Glencore Xstrata. They still have resource in the ground, non-43-101 of about 220 million tons. And we acquired some land position back in 2011, 2012, and we have over 350 square kilometers around the old mining camp. And we actually made a discovery in 2012, about 25 kilometers away, and on the same structure, same type of geology. We're pretty keen on what we have.
So Sylvain, let me ask you a question. You've had a big downturn in the commodities, big downturn in exploration stock prices, and now at the end of the day, Barrick, Newmont, merger talks, they got called off, but you know they'll always go back to the table at another price. That brings a lot of attention to the resource market. Add that to the Chinese needing more natural resources and supply because their industrial boom is continuing. Now, how does that affect you from the standpoint of having all of these resources in the ground, whether you end up producing or not?
It affects us in creating attraction from the stand of the market, because we're sitting on a situation called the Gespeg region that is not very well known, and a lot of people forgot since 1999. So since we were very persistent on continuing to explore that region, we think that somewhere down the line people will start recognizing that the copper sector is really down, and it has to come out. At a certain point, it has to come up, and there's going to be demands for copper. So if there's a resource and we can build a package together and with other people and do a merger or whatever, at that point, I think we're going to be a success in that sector.
Now, for more information, let's get your website out there.
Website is www.gespegcopper, GESPEG, COPPER.com, and you can reach me from there anytime. I'm willing to talk with anybody.
Anybody? Even me?
Even him.
Ladies and gentlemen, Sylvain Laberge, Gespeg Copper, symbol GCR on the TSX Venture Exchange. I'm Shelley Kraft. We're at the Growth Capital Expo in Las Vegas 2014, and we're at SNNLive. Thanks, Sylvain, for coming.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.